Hello everyone, I am Kazi Hassan Mustafa. My another teammate is Sanjana Sharmi. Today I will describe Applied Data Science final project. I selected final project alternative 01. Firstly, I imported Pandas as PD. Pandas is a fast, powerful and easy to use open source data analysis and manipulation tool. It is built on top of the Python programming language. Then I imported crime.csv file, and this is my crime.csv file. Then I printed crime.csv file. Here is 5 rows and 7 columns. These 5 rows are first 5 rows. Then I checked how many rows and columns in my CSV file. This is crime.csv file, and there are 50 rows and 7 columns. So I imported successfully, and these values are correct. Then I described my data frame. It contains crime-related data and education level of population of different cities. X1 column is total overall reported crime rate per 1 million residents. X2 column is reported violent crime rate per 100,000 residents. X3 column is annual police founding in resident. X4 column is percentage of people 25 years plus with 4 years of high school. X5 column is percentage of 60 to 90 years old, not in high school and not high school graduates. X6 column is percentage of 18 to 24 years old in college. And finally, X7 column is percentage of people 25 years with at least 4 years of college. Then I checked null values in my CSV file. There is no null values. You can see every column's value is 0. So there is no null value. And it is integer values. Then I used matplotlib library to draw different type of chart. Firstly, I draw histogram chart. Then I draw bar chart. Then I draw line chart. This is my bar chart. You see, the pink one is X7. The blue one is X1. The orange one is X2. This is my bar chart. This one is like X1 value, X1 to X7. I try to make big as much as possible. If I like, I will make big little bit for you. You see, this is the value for X1 to X7, and it is really difficult to understand. And the third one is line chart. Then I imported NumPy as NP. NumPy is a library for Python programming language, adding support for large multi-dimensional arrays and matrix, along with large collection of high-level mathematical functions to operate on those arrays. Now I will just separate my data frame. Inside of X value, I took column from 1 to 7, 1 to 6, except column 7. And inside of Y variable, I took column 7. This is X value and this is Y value, and both variables are array type. Now I will use scikit-learn library. Scikit-learn is a free software machine learning library for Python programming language. It features various classification, regression, and clustering algorithm, including support vector mechanics. I imported train test split. I will basically check test dataset and train dataset. This is my text variable. This is Y train, X train. This is Y train. This is Y test. And I will check 30% of test value. Then I imported linear regression and I put it regressor. Then I checked actual dataset and predicted dataset. This is my actual dataset and this is predicted dataset for Y variable. Those values are different, but different is not too much. You see, this is 8 and this is almost 10, so different is only 2. Then I imported matrix and I will check mean square errors for Y test and Y predicted dataset. So my mean square error is only 12.54, and I draw a chart for this. And this is basically bar chart, and you can see the orange one is predicted dataset and the blue one is actual dataset. That's all for today. Thank you for watching my video.